job, brother.
Fearless.
Huh?
Hey, how you doing? Doing well. Lord to the King. Good to see y'all again.
You got to refresh your memory on the name.
Mike?
Michael.
Michael.
Y'all get a Straitway. Yes, sir.
Got the audio fixed.
Good. How you doing, sir?
Good. Jason Whitlock. Ralph. Umbre. Nice to meet you.
All right, so this is, y'all got the radio room open?
Yeah.
You know the combination?
Yeah, I will.
The tabernacle, and we just,
Jason Whitlock.
that's teacher saying he's been with me from the very beginning. Oh, black man, it don't belong here. He's been with me from the very beginning with myself and my wife. Of course, this is our radio room. Looks like he in there doing something, but that controls, you know, everything.
Yeah.
You already know about all this. And this is Elder Doug's little office. Elder Doug, hey, glad you're here. You get to meet somebody. Sure.
Hey, Jason Whitlock.
Jason Whitlock, nice to meet you.
How you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Go to it?
I am. This is, I want to go down to this room because I saw the most unique wedding of my life.
Yeah, we got the other one coming up in February. Was everything you see on the thing, myself and the brother, well, we built it. We built their buildings, especially some of the new ones. Now, what happens is during the feast days, we have a table, we have another chair put up. We usually run between 150, 200 every Sabbath that actually come to service. Yeah, but this is the place where the wedding took place. And also a lot of services. And we can get comfortably, maybe a little bit tight in here. We can get 950 in here, but it'll be tight for 1,000.
Huh.
Because we set up, you call over here?
Yeah, I'm just,
Taking it in, huh?
yeah.
Because you've seen probably videos of all this though.
Yeah, definitely. The video doesn't do it justice. This is beautiful.
Well, thank you. And this place, let me see, come Passover, this place will probably have 950,000 people here again.
How long has this been in
This building right here, there's a story to it, and I'll tell you about it when we go to the next one so you can understand how we got to here. But this was on the video, what, 3 years?
About 3 years ago.
3 years, I took this building and I told him, don't get too old, man. This watch is every time he's 12, his watch, you know what I mean? And this building is, I think it's 50, I think it was 60, 50 by 140 feet long. You see those metal things right there? Those are actually what we building buildings now out of, which is form walls, which I'll show you exactly what that is when we go around more.
What are those?
Those are water tanks, for water storage. Always taking water and being able to store. You'll see these tanks all over this land everywhere.
Man, this guy looks good in the summer with the trees.
It looks really nice.
Yeah.
It looks really nice. You can come out here and check it out too. Beautiful. So the brother, you see stone on the front, and the brother, he's a truck driver, so little by little, he's putting stone, him and his son is working the stone work to finish the tabernacle all the way down the side. This right here was the original tabernacle. It started, this was the radio room, nursery room, and this was the very first tabernacle building that we had, and it ended. Pulpit was right here, the stage ended right here, so this was our first tabernacle. So when we built this, we never thought in our wildest dreams we would be able to fill this thing up. Well, as fate would have it, then we started getting tight. So then I said, well, we'll dig that down in the mountains, something we'll add on this. And so you'll see, if you go back in videos, maybe about 3 or 4 years, you'll see this part. And we had an addition. Well, at Passover, we had like 550 people, almost 600 people in there. It was like wall to wall like this. So I said, we gotta build another one. And that's how that one came to be.
Now that one's packed, so now it's time for the next one.
And this is, when we get finished with Shabbat services or they have classes, or sometimes the sisters sew in here, or to use it just as a kind of like a fellowship hall where we utilize for many, many different things. But right now it's set up for whenever we get finished with service over there, people come over here to eat. We always have a meal every Sabbath. We always fellowship every Sabbath. The elders table right here, the brothers, they usually over here, the sisters over there, and we're just sitting around, relaxing, having a good time. Elder Doug, what he's doing, and what his job is now, he has to take care of all the phone calls from different places that people call from all over the United States and the world. And his job is is our deal. And we try to work out and stay in shape somewhat. So this is our little gym, Jason. Where everybody has a little skill all the time. They point that out. I started reading the book back. And I went to the bishop and had questions. Said, see what this says right here? He said, yeah. I said, don't you think we ought to be doing this? He said, it never worked. I said, why didn't it never work? Maybe nobody tried. And he looked at me and said, maybe because you want somebody to take care of you. I said, I'm one of the biggest tithe payers in the church. Why don't somebody take care of me? I'm just saying this is what the book says. All that believe work together. They had all things common. No man had nothing to be called his own. I said, it looks like to me this is the way we should be trying to live. So we never say anything more after that. When I got out of the service, I moved back up here, and it never left me. I started implementing. And this is how we end up getting here. So this is our basketball building. So we're not too prehistoric. This is a nice nitro basketball right here. It's got a big old 250 outboard motor on it. So brothers like fishing too. It's a really nice boat. So that means that the brothers get a lot of recreation and R&R after we work so hard.
Just our skid steer, let me know if you want to take a spin and ride it a little bit. We'll teach you how to do it. Keep it on fun.
Working on resurfacing because it had really like waves and dips in it. So we're slowly but surely buying different stuff to be more efficient in our woodworking. So we're building this shop up. Through here is what's going to be our mechanic shop. We're going to put a lift in here where we can work on vehicles. This is our family pontoon boat. When the family goes out to the lake whenever they want. This space right here. We're working here as well. in order to be able to have our, you know, make it more efficient for us to work on our own vehicles rather than doing it down there in the little shop. So everything's just little by little as we go. All you got more questions, or you just got, you know, let us know as you go.
I got more questions.
Okay, let's go down the house. We got a brother from a community down there in Tennessee. He bought this up right here. This is something going back to the military. They call it a language communication. You know, when we start to build and doing different buildings, because I got a couple more things to buy. That was that woman's in it. Teacher Shane, when you just met him right there, he built these, he welded these iron racks right here to be able to utilize most of the airspace.